Yes, that's right. It's almost ready. Prometheum Prodigy flip is around the corner here. And as you can see on these visuals, I am pumped up with the new AI technology to make trading easier for me and you. But there's more into this. The thing about the Prometheum Prodigy, it is a revolutionized technology that's going to really change the crypto space. As you don't know, that mobile application is set to make things easier and more profits for you as of right now. I did a captain spreadsheet and I'm thinking $2 billion is not off the table for something like this in the near future. So find your position there and smile, because right now I understand it's not like as high as you would want. It's at a $4.66 million market cap. But you got to look at the future. You got to look at the future of technology here as things getting ready to erupt in the crypto market. Not just the crypto market, just the market in general here. And as I continue seeing burn after burn after burn, that means supply is getting down, okay? And that means this here that you see 4.66 will go up because of supply shock, which mainly meaning something like this could happen in the future. Because think about it, 1 million users using the Prodigy flip. Can you imagine that? 1 million users using this one day. That's right. I know we got MetaMask and Uniswap and Trust Wallets and all that jazz, but one-stop shop to make your crypto experience much easier. I think that's really good for the roadmap, in my opinion here, because Prodigy flip is not just Prodigy flip for the Prometheum Prodigy ecosystem. There's more things coming out in the pipeline here, and it looks really good. This is just a snapshot of what it looked like when you go ahead and log in, see your transactions, your login, and more things to come here. So if you haven't jumped on the bandwagon of Prometheum Prodigy, you probably want to go ahead and grab a couple of tokens and collect those reflections on your way there, because here's the thing. It's undervalued right now. But it won't be for long before we start seeing massive profits, because Prometheum Prodigy flip and more is coming for you and me too as well. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Check out Prometheum Prodigy today.